Hi.
Hi. I'm from Faspro.
And what do you show here?
Okay, we are designing a smart cluster for the e-bike and the bike.
So when you ride the bicycle, you want to have interesting infotainment? No, it's not infotainment. It's
no,
navigation.
It's for safety. We have two cameras. Especially for real camera, we can do some collision detection by the video.
Wow.
Yeah, and also you can do some anti-stray. So this is not just only a navigation. Of course, navigation is included. I mean, we also support cloud management as well.
So is it there?
Oh no, we just remove down.
How does it work? You plug it in?
You plug in the
Yeah?
plug-in. Yeah.
And what does it show here?
Do you have another one? Sorry. We're just.
How long time it takes to boot up? Let me have a look. How long time it will take to turn on?
It's about 30 seconds.
Okay.
Because it's an Android-based system.
Nice.
So okay, and we are integrating with the e-bike, so they can use the e-bike battery.
Oh, nice. How is connect?
Through the can cable. Through the can. Yeah.
Cool. Connect to get the power.
Yeah.
And all the information is coming from the can?
That's right.
It has the
including
speed?
the battery, speed, RPM, and so on. And if you have some trouble, follow, they can come into here. Okay. 你开机了吗?
Okay. 没有 battery?
No. I think that's it. Okay. Same.
Yeah.
So this is basically the UI we
Yeah.
have. Okay. And you have a map here.
Is it use Google Maps?
No. This is an organic map, which is not Google Map. But you can install Google Map into the APK as you want.
Nice.
Okay. Because this is an Android platform, so easy. You can do that. And of course, we have the standard interface of the Android to set up.
And maybe I'm a food delivery guy.
Yeah.
And so maybe I can install the food delivery app on here.
Yeah.
Like, pick up the food, go to the restaurant, bring it to customer, and boom.
That's
boom.
right. That's
maybe.
right. So we design this is with e-bike or for general bike as well. We are going to add the extra battery. We have a battery inside, but this is small, only 4 hours. But with the more battery, then we can extend the almost 1 day.
Is it a special display to look in the sunlight?
Yeah. It's about 900 nits. So we have the ambient sensor, light sensor. So it will adjust according to the condition. For example, indoor or outdoor, that will be different. For indoor, of course, it's more bright. Yeah.
Can you introduce your colleague?
Yeah, Ben.
Ben, what do you do?
I'm software engineer.
Ben is basically work on some app and Android. Yeah.
App and Android.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what is the latest Android app?
We are Android 12.
Android 12.
Yeah.
And you show it's a Qualcomm base, so
It's
it
Qualcomm
has
based.
4G.
4G inside, Wi-Fi, and GPS and Bluetooth.
And what's the price? Is there a price? Cannot say.
Yeah, I think it's 100 something to the bike maker.
So is it mass
Not the
production?
retail price. Not a
Is
retail
it
price.
mass production?
No, it's going to be production by end of Q3.
And where are you based?
What's that?
Where are you based?
Taiwan.
Taiwan.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Is big team or is it startup?
Not startup, but we are an 8 years company. So we start from the medical camera. This one for video. So
What did they do this?
this is a medical camera, medical for surgeon camera.
4K medical camera on the head. On the head.
Head mount.
Head mounted.
So we have spent quite a lot of years on that, but now we moved to vehicle.
I want to have a camera on my bicycle.
Yeah.
I also want to I want to, when I ride around,
Uh-huh.
I want to live stream to YouTube or Facebook,
Okay.
or TikTok, and record the video while I'm on the bike.
Okay.
Too much function?
Too much function.
Too much.
Yeah.
Because maybe there's a way that this system could have a camera on me, camera in the front, and then multi-camera. Okay, it's easy for me to say. I'm just a YouTuber, you know. I don't
Okay.
know how hard it is to, because I saw you doing camera.
Yeah.
Before, right. So
Yeah.
maybe, but this one it's not a DVR.
Not DVR. Not DVR.
All right.
It's not DVR. It basically we can call it a smart cluster for bike.
And how do you do this safety solution? Is it like kind of like AI?
Yeah, we have some deep learning for the vehicle object. So based on the learning result, then we can do the image analysis based on the AI.